Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Mary Creative Co. In this tutorial I want to show you how to create a seamless pattern using the pattern preview feature in Adobe Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. I choose this color palette for my pattern design. For creating shapes I use my graphic tablets, but you can do this using the mouse and Photoshop tools. If you look at the layers panel, you can see that each shape is on its own layer.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. To say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's to say.
When all shapes are ready, let's place them on the canvas. For this I use the Move tool, also press Ctrl or Command T to transform the shapes.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
To enable pattern feature, choose View, Pattern Preview. Once you enable pattern preview, you can notice that the workspace area outside of the canvas boundary repeats the contents on the canvas. If you zoom out, you can see that the pattern repeated in a grid. Also, you can see these white lines between them. So let's arrange our shapes to hide this. Now, using the Move tool, you can replace your shapes, add new items on the canvas such as shapes, paint strokes, type. Also, you can resize, rotate and reposition the items.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's not for me to say.
In the past, creating patterns for textile designs and graphic backgrounds required working with square images. With Pattern Preview, square is no longer a requirement. You can now envision in real time how your design will come to life as a pattern. If you are working with raster layers, converting them into smart objects will produce the best results with Pattern Preview. If you are happy with your pattern, just click again on the view and turn off the Pattern Preview. Once you get it looking just right, easily create a new pattern, choosing Edit, Define Pattern. Give a name and click OK to save it. And now let's test our pattern. Select the mockup on which you want to test your pattern and open this file into Photoshop. Add a new pattern adjustment layer. In the pattern field dialog that pops up, select your pattern from the drop-down menu on the left, adjust the position, opacity, scale and angle to suit your preference. Click OK to save it. Great, so let's start to create patterns using the Pattern Preview feature. Thank you so much for watching me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you, goodbye.